Welcome to our next Paper Flourish craft video. My name is Julie and it's a quick video today, but I wanted to talk about the Lavinia glitters and just go through a few little tips to help you add the beautiful sparkle to your cards and projects with this stunning glitter. I have found it quite different to work with the Lavinia glitter compared to some of the other glitters in the past. And so I thought, well, the little tips and things that I've found to help, I thought it might be good to put them in a video so you can also get the most out of this gorgeous product. To apply the glitter, you cannot go past the Sakura Quickie glue pen. It's a very fine glue pen, almost looks like a little pen tip on the end. You do not need much of this, and it is the best glue pen to use with these glitters. It works so well. We keep these in stock at Paper Flourish, in store and also online. But brilliant glue pen. Lavinia have their eco glitters. They're environmentally friendly glitters, and they come in a beautiful range of colours. I've got here Vintage Shimmer, which you can see is like a green gold sparkle. I use this so much. This goes on just about every card you can imagine. Turkish Delight, which is a very pretty pink, really pretty pink colour, so another useful one. Arabian Surprise I've got here, purpley pink, very beautiful colour. Christmas Tinsel. This time of year, it's glitter time of year, isn't it? We're all starting to think about Christmas. It's creeping up on us. It'll be here before we know it. So this is a great one for your Christmas cards. Red and gold. There is also Peacock Feathers, which I don't have here, but that's a beautiful Christmassy green with gold in it. Fairy Tales, there's a beautiful blue one. There's a whole range of these, and you can see them set on our online store and also in store. We keep them in stock. So they're the eco glitters, and I'll show you in a moment some of those colours on some paper so you can see all the different sizes and colours of glitter. And then they have their beautiful Star Brights holographic glitter. And this glitter will go on everything. It looks like Christmas lights when you put it on a card, and I'm going to show you that on a card in just a moment. Stunning glitter. That is my favourite glitter. It's become my absolute go-to glitter because it just works on everything. Fantastic pot of glitter. So let's start with the eco glitters. I just want to show you a couple of these. If I tip a little bit out on some paper, when you're working with glitter, piece of A4 paper, fold it so then it's easy to tip it back into your jar. This is the Vintage Shimmer. Now you can see if I pour a little bit out, can you see there, it's not only got a bit of a sort of green silvery sort of finish, but can you see all the different sizes of glitter in there? It is a really pretty glitter. I find with this glitter a little bit is better than pouring heaps and heaps of glitter on your card. Just a little bit adds the sparkle, but you see the shimmer, the shine that's coming off that. So that's your beautiful Vintage Shimmer. Pretty, pretty colour. It's one of your most useful colours. This, also Fairy Tales, which I don't have here, but the Fairy Tales one is a colour that pretty much works on everything. Get rid of that. Turkish Delight. I'll just open that so you can see. Look at the pretty pink shimmery colour. So it's not a really heavy pink, it's just a lovely light sparkly pink. Of course, then deeper colour, Arabian Surprise. Very beautiful, beautiful colour. This is the Christmas Tinsel one, which I said that'll be used a lot at this time of year. The beautiful red and gold in that. So great one for your Christmas cards. Holographic glitter. Now if I move it around, hopefully you can see just the shimmer of lights that's coming off this. It's just stunning. So I want to show you how to use, I'll use the holographic glitter and show you how to apply glitter to a card. All I've done here is I've quickly made a card. So on white multifarious cardstock, the Lavinia multifarious cardstock, in my splatter box, I quickly do the background. I just did sprays of the 3 acrylic sprays, the Lavinia ones. I've got bright orange, emerald green and sun yellow. Dried it with my heat tool. So easy to do a background with those sprays. And then I've stamped Bumble Lodge, one of my favourite Lavinia stamps. So Bumble Lodge, and I've stamped that with the Nocturne VersaFine Clair. So I've already done that. And what I'm going to do to show this gorgeous holographic glitter, I'm going to apply glitter to the bands on the cottage. And it's just beautiful. Very, very easy. I think I've got a friend about to come and join in. Coming up. Come on, Murphy. You must have heard the word glitter. Here he is. All right, you're going to watch us put the glitter on the card. He's on my lap, which he often is when I do my craft videos. Bumble Lodge. So all I'm going to do with the pen is just do little dots. I'm just touching it lightly to the card. Murphy's coming up for a closer look. No, where are we off exploring the craft table? I now have a tail in my face. Here we go. Hopefully we don't have a tail on the card while the glue's there. You're just joining in, Murphy. Okay, so I don't know if you can see there, but I'm just doing tiny little dots. That's all you need for this. I don't draw a line. I just dot where I want the glitter to go. Murphy's coming for a closer look here. What do you think of that, Murph? So at the moment, I've put the dots of glitter. Here comes the tail in the holographic glitter. There we go. Saved. You right there? There we go. So I've got the dots of glitter on the bands. Now I'm not going to pour the glitter on top. I find the Lavinia glitters, if you do that, it tends to go everywhere. It doesn't need to. The best way to do this is I pick up a little pinch of the glitter and I'm going to lightly sprinkle it on the card, just over where I've put the glitter. So I haven't taken a lot. Look at that even there. How pretty does that look? Oh, nice. All right, I'm just going to tip that off on here. Now, when I've tipped it off, I've still got a fair bit of glitter. So what I'll do then is, I usually do this over my bin, flick it on the back. There we go. And we can see now it's left the glitter where I've done it. I've got a little bit here. I can sprinkle that. If it ends up somewhere, you can get a little brush or your finger and just sprinkle off. But what it's done is it's left the glitter on the bands of the cottage and not everywhere else. Now, if I poured that glitter, it's going to be a lot harder to get it all off. So I haven't used much. What I've got left here in a moment, I can pour back in the bottle. But can you see the sparkle that's coming off that holographic glitter? This and Christmas Tinsel Eco Glitter were definitely your go-to glitters for Christmas. How beautiful is that? And easy to apply. You let that dry. It doesn't take long. Let it dry. With the folded piece of paper, we can pour that glitter back into the jar. There we go. So easy way to apply your glitter. But it said less is more. Definitely less is more. Just sprinkle it with your fingers rather than pouring it all out with the jar. You end up getting glitter everywhere and it gets in a big mess. So hopefully that's helped you. If you've bought some of these beautiful glitters, and hopefully they're not sitting at home as ornaments, get them out and use them. They're just beautiful. If you don't have the Sakura Quickie glue pen, I definitely recommend you getting one of these to apply your glitter. If I was doing glitter just around the card, I would just dot the glitter, sprinkle, shake it off and let it dry. Thank you very much for watching. From Murphy and I, have a fantastic day. We'll be back soon with a lot more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.